welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Voiceless in the dark, struggling in my mind. Stayed up on disguise, I need to fake it, how to try. Tied up in the silence, but it was not easy.
Today's video is going to be like a vlog, like a mini vlog or whatnot. I'm finna clean the room. I'm finna put that in time lapse. Then after I'm done cleaning the room, I'm finna take some money and go to the beauty supply store so I can re-up on some stuff, whatever it's called, some supplies. There we go. So I'm finna go do all that, and then I gotta go brush my teeth and whatnot. So I'm gonna put y'all in what's it called? I don't know, I can't think this morning. I didn't wake up. What? Yeah? Yeah, I'll sleep when I leave, so yeah. Cleaning up the room. I'm gonna head to the store. I don't know if I'm recording there. Yes or no, I don't know. I'm trying to figure out. But I did finish my room finally. It didn't take me 10 minutes or 15 minutes, but I got it done. I needed to because I be slacking on my room. I'm gonna walk now. I'm gonna head out now. I think I'm gonna grab something to eat when I'm out too because I'm hungry. So, I made it. So after I'm done shopping, I'm gonna show y'all what I got when I get home. And I'm gonna do like little peek, little shits when I'm in there. It's hot, but it feels good at the same time. And it looked like it's gonna rain later, so.
I met that girl right up at my show. Left her man in the crowd on the floor. Out of town, never saw her before. Told her, baby, we don't got that long. Listen, this not my city show, but I treat it like my city show. 20 more minutes into it more. 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 Yeah, I am not slow. Because you want me, cause I got the dough. Get that girl right on my freaking door. Pass me her friend, so they switching roles. I hit it fast, yeah. I hit it slow. But by the morning, girl, I gotta go. Gotta get ready, tonight is my show. If you okay, you might help in my show. Gotta be partners right under my nose. These niggas max, I got all the dough. These niggas max, I got all the dough. Changing my stock, cause I gotta be fly. Gotta be girl, ain't no top in my hose. I understand that it's your girlfriend, bro. But you know I gotta keep her close. Don't be Alex and I keep her close. Living life on the edge, on the tightrope.
Alright, so we finna do a little haul. I spent $58 on all of this stuff, but it's not like I didn't get like a bad amount of stuff, but I'm cheap, so 58 was a lot, but it's gonna help me make more money, so that's all that matters. So I got 4 stocking caps because I already have like 2 more in my drawer, and most of the time people bring their own stocking caps, and like inside of the stocking cap it's like 2 already. So, and I usually have makeup to cover them anyway, so here's the other ones. The other ones are these light color. Just, and all is 5 stocking caps, but I bought 4 today. I had 2 for the other day, so that's what I got right there. And I got freeze spray because, like, you know, you gotta keep freeze spray when you're doing frontals and whatnot. And freeze spray is great for edges, so I love using freeze spray. I really want to try out this liquid mousse by Spritz, just because I don't know, I want to start getting into doing slick backs. So I'm going to try this because I've seen in some videos this is what people use to like get your hair extra pressed and whatnot. So I'm gonna use that. I got this big thing of Eco Styler gel because my sister loves to mess with my Eco Styler gel. I barely use Eco Styler gel on clients unless I'm doing like the goddess braids, and goddess braids I put Eco Styler gel on the curly parts because those parts get frizzy fast. Then I got some shears because I do not have anything to cut the lace off. I be using like these little eyebrow scissors, but I needed me some shears. And then my sister wanted a bob for her birthday, so we're gonna use some kind of shears for that as well. Then I got 2 edge brushes because when I do edges, I usually just use the comb part because that's the easiest to clean. But I do like using the brush part, so when I do use the brush part on people, I'll be able to clean them, like won't be gunked up, if you get what I'm saying. The only thing I forgot to grab was some new combs because I need a variety of them, but I'll do that next time. I'll probably do that later on today. And then the last 3 things I got was the Gots to Be Glue, the black one, because I really like this one. It dries faster and it's clear, so when it goes on, it's most likely to be clear. This one isn't mine, it's my cousin's, so I need her to come get it before I use it. And then I get the Isha button glue. This is what I use for my frontals. This is the only glue I use. I do not like no other glue. Everything lifts up too fast for me. Isha just works very good for me. I don't know. I've been using Isha for a good 4 months. I don't know. It says water resistant, but it's most likely not. But here's this one. I have another one so I can actually prove to y'all that I actually use Isha. Here's the other one. It's not all the way gone, but I did need a new one, so I went ahead and got that. This is 16. I knew that right after the jump. And then the last thing I got was some tweezers because I really need some new tweezers. Like, I've been working with these. Get all scratching the dough. I've been working with these for some time, and these are just old. So I suggest if y'all do hair, if you do hair and you're a newcomer to hair and you just started doing hair, I really suggest you getting one of these combs because these are the most easiest combs to clean out, and then you will still be able to part hair real well. I'm sorry, it was some hair in it. It's really easy to clean, really easy to part hair with, and it's big, so it's like not messy. You can't lose it. This type of comb will come in hand. Like, you can use the comb for almost everything. You don't gotta worry about re-upping on combs. You can just sanitize it and keep on going with your day. I don't know. I just really love this comb. So I don't know if I'm gonna get more combs or more combs like this. I think I'm gonna get more combs like this. But this is just for the new people who just started doing hair. I think you should get one of these big behind combs because they help with almost everything. So that's mostly it. That's all I got today. I'm gonna go make breakfast because I'm hungry. I'll see y'all when I'm eating. Basically, what I made is some sausage and some French toast, but the French toast is on hot dog buns because we thought Dorian was gonna hit us, so everybody brought the regular bread and we only had hot dog. It looked burnt. That's too bad. We used the skillet, so the skillet burned stuff. I'm finna eat because like I'm hungry. And yeah. I'm watching Choice TV while sitting in my room looking crazy because I really think this is the end of this video because like for the rest of the day we really do nothing around the house. Like I cleaned the bathroom, my mama swept and mopped, and I made breakfast, and my room started clean because I did that this morning. So now I'm watching TV and I'm trying to get my work out there for my hair and stuff. I'm out there, but I'm not out there as much as I want to be, if you get what I'm saying. Like, I want more customers. I want more people to come to me. I just don't want to be just like stuck. Like, I want to do like at least 10 heads a week. That's where I want to be. And I'm at the point where I do like probably 2 heads a week, not even 1 head a week. I really wish my work would get out there, but it's not like I'm gonna give up or anything. I'm gonna keep pushing and striving to get my work out there, and I'm gonna strive and I'm gonna spend money wisely and whatnot. Cause like only time I do spend money now is just if I need to re-up on any supplies that I need for hair and whatnot. I really need to get more supplies for my frontals, more than I need to get for my braids. I do mostly frontals. Well, I don't do mostly frontals. I do mostly braids, but I have been running low on things for frontals and whatnot. So that's what I did today, and that's what I did this morning when y'all see me. And now I'm just chilling out. I'm gonna make another video after I edit this video, so stay tuned for that video. Well, I'm gonna tell y'all what video it is now. I'm doing a video on how I got used to my waist trainer, like how to get used to it and what people don't tell y'all about it. So that's what's coming up after this video. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just start editing this video and post it. So yeah. Thank y'all for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. If y'all want another video like this, just let me know. If y'all have any suggestions, just leave them down in the comments. If y'all have any suggestions for me to put in the vlog, I sure will. If y'all want a morning routine, I got you. If y'all want a night routine, I got you. If y'all want a face routine, I got you. Just let me know. So yeah, I guess that's it for this video today. It was just me making a little beauty supply store run. So that's all, and yeah.